I don't know what these are. I am a shoot. Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Wow, this is gonna be a very exciting video. We are finally getting ready to empty Harris. So if you saw in the little intro, we have a ton of stuff to give away. This is going to be one giveaway for one person only, and I'm sorry, but it is only for somebody that resides in the United States. So I can only ship to the United States right now. Maybe in the future I can expand it a little, but this giveaway in particular is going to be for US only. We are just going to go through the different categories of things that you're going to be able to win. I have them kind of separated into sections: tools, accessories, face, skincare, all that kind of thing. So first, I'm just gonna go into tools. You've watched all the videos, you've probably seen all this stuff before, but if you haven't and you still want to enter the giveaway, please make sure you subscribe. All right, so the first thing that is in the tools section is the Makeup Revolution Fruity Pebbles face brush set. Actually, I want to say it's face and eyes. This is included. Another brush set is from the Profusion video. So this is a huge selection of Profusion brushes that you are going to get from my Moda video, the Moda brow brush. You're also going to receive a makeup sponge from the Makeup Shack. I can't even remember where I got this from, but this is going in there for you guys. Then we're gonna move into skincare. If you saw my Sephora video, I am giving you guys a small bottle of the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors plus Hyaluronic Acid. This is one of my favorite facial moisturizers, so this is going from me to you. Salawasu First Care Activating Serum. This stuff is actually pretty high dollar, but I don't want to move into another serum because whatever I'm using right now is working on me. Pass this along to you guys. Also from another brand that I really love, Herbivore. This is the Nova Turmeric Serum. Herbivore makes great face products. So this is like a little bottle of the turmeric serum, and I can imagine that it is pretty good for the face. Move into hair care. I've got the Bumble and Bumble Ultra Rich Shampoo and Conditioner for you guys. Kanta Avocado Hydration Leave-In Mask. Also a bottle of the Way Hair Oil. I cannot stress enough how amazing hair oil is. Unfortunately, I am sold on Olaplex, but I hear great things about the Way brand and this hair oil in particular, and this is a really nice size. I actually bought this with my Sephora points for you guys, so please enjoy this one. Face, a Wet n Wild contour stick. I've got a bottle of the Milani Make It Last matte setting spray. Of course, we've got the Nars light reflecting foundation that if you caught my video on the wear test, this was just not for me, but it is a pretty neutral shade. So I hope that somebody can get some good use out of this. Also got the Profusion Highlighter and Blush Duo Compact. I actually am wearing almost all Profusion on my face today. So I am actually pretty impressed with some of the things that we got in that Advent opening calendar. Even though I had never tried Profusion before, I am wearing all of the eye makeup. I'm wearing the blush. I'm wearing the bronzer. I'm actually pretty happy with this brand for being a drugstore brand. So good luck to you guys on using this. I think this is going to be a good one. You're also getting a little Hip Dot highlighter palette. This thing is super cute, but the highlighter color just isn't for me. But look how adorable this is. So you guys are getting that one. And from my Ipsy bag, again, it's the It's a Date blush. So this is a very cute peachy neutral blush. I think somebody will definitely get a good use out of it. And moving into lips, I am giving you guys 2 of the Profusion lip products that we got in the Advent calendar video. So I'm giving you kind of like the cool pink and also the gold lip gloss topper. From my drinks and dollar makeup video, this was one of the products that actually really surprised me. This is the AOA Lip Pop in the color City Girl. I wear this thing all of the time. I don't know what it is about it. It's only $1, but it is like an amazing lip stain. You guys gotta try it. So it's going in there for you. And moving into eyes, got a lot here. In the Profusion Clear Brow Gel and AOA Sculpting Brow Pencil. This is just another AOA black eyeliner pen. So this is just a basic black liquid eyeliner from AOA. Included in one of my Ipsies, this is a M2U NYC eye primer. From the Profusion, this is a glitter eye topper. I am assuming that these are loose eyeshadow pigments. I'm just giving them to you guys because I do not have a home for them. Maybe you can find something to use them for. For Profusion, a lot of people voted that they wanted the pink palette. I'm actually wearing the brown palette on my face today. And let me tell you, for the first time I've ever used a Profusion formula, they were actually really, really good. Easy to work with, highly pigmented, blendable. So this is actually a pretty nice palette. I know it's not a high dollar item, but hey, this will actually work for you. So from Makeup Revolution, you're getting this little Squeeze Me palette. I have not opened it, but I know that it's a 9-pan. Looks like you've got some oranges and browns and pinks in there. So from Ipsy, you're getting that little Complex Culture palette. It's got little browns and golds, so that's really, really cute. And another one from Ipsy, this is the Belle Argent. It's just like a little duo eyeshadow palette. It's a sparkle and a matte. And then we've got the Pat McGrath Labs Gold Standard Idols single. This is pretty exciting. Moving on to just the extras and accessories. I found this somewhere and I fell in love with it. This is a luggage tag for all of your little summer travels, and it says "But First Coffee" because that is my life. I picked this up when I ordered some of my other AOA things. This is one of those reusable grocery tote bags that folds up into this cute little thing, and it has roses on it. So I really wanted to keep it, but I did buy it for you guys. It's super, super cute. So you just take it out of here and it unfolds into a fabric tote bag, so you can use it when you go shopping. Of course, we've got the Fashion Nova Moon and Star earrings. If you saw my Fashion Nova video, you saw how fabulous and glam these are. So very exciting. And last but not least, you are getting the Killstar Night Matte Red sunglasses. I really, really like these guys. They are super, super cute. They are going to be packaged in the original box so that they're not damaged. I am going to pack up everything so carefully so that hopefully when this gets to you, nothing is broken. I am going to do my best. If you guys are interested in registering to win all of this stuff, the instructions are in the description box below. All you have to do is follow what that says, but also comment on this video with hashtag #FeedHarris, and that will let me know that you entered in the giveaway. I am running this giveaway until April 24th. So April 24th will be the last day for you to be able to register to enter. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I have my email address in the description box, as well as you can just comment and I will get back to you. I hope you guys are really excited. Harris has been such a good boy and he has eaten so many things and he is ready to throw it up to all of you. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope this is exciting for you. Thank you so much for supporting me through all of my beginner videos. Again, I'm very nervous to be on the YouTubes, but it's been fun so far and I've got to meet a lot of really cool people in our little tiny community. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one.